I know a lot of you are facing this right now, that Grok has completely stopped free video generation, and you're probably stuck seeing the same page again and again. But don't panic, because this actually worked in our favor. To be honest, this happened for a reason, because now we have two better options to choose from. Welcome to UTC AI Studio, AI-powered, creativity-fueled. Our first option is from Google. It's called Google Flow. And yes, you can use it completely free, and it's legal method. But listen carefully and act fast, because just like Grok, Google can change their policy anytime. First, go to the Google Flow website and log in with your Google account. Once you're inside, you'll see that you get 150 credits per day, but we're not stopping there. Click on the upgrade option and you'll see the Google AI Pro plan. And here's the crazy part, it shows as free for a month. Now click on Get Google AI Pro and your free trial will start. You won't be charged if you cancel before the deadline. For example, today is March 20th, so we need to cancel on April 19th or before. So basically, you're using premium features for free, and this is completely legal. Now, one important thing, each Google email account can use this free trial only once. So later you can use another Gmail if needed. You understand what I mean, right? Also, you might be thinking about payment, whether you need to add a card or UPI. The answer is yes, but don't worry, you're not paying anything right now, and it's just for activation. Now, what about autopay? What if it charges you after 1 month? Simple. Google will send reminders. But to stay safe, you should set a calendar reminder 2 to 3 days before expiry and cancel it on time. To cancel, click on Gemini Flow profile. Click Manage Membership. Scroll down till you see Cancel Membership. Click it before the date. It's that simple. Now here's something even better for Indian users. If you're using a GeoSIM, you can get Google Gemini Pro along with Flow access for 18 months, completely free, for all Geo Unlimited 5G users aged 18 years and above. You just need to recharge with any plan, even a 1-month recharge work. No card, no autopay. You can use it freely. Now, if you don't want to deal with subscriptions at all, there is another option called Arena AI. This platform is completely free, no card required, just log in with your Gmail. You will get access to multiple models like GPT, Gemini, Claude, and many more. But there's one limitation. In video generation, you can't select models manually. The system assigns them randomly. However, you can upload your own images and create image to video, which is very useful. But still, I recommend using Google Flow as your main tool because it's faster, more reliable, and backed by Google. Keep Arena AI as a backup option. I'll also be sharing full tutorials and prompts for image to video, so subscribe to this channel. So yes, Grok stopped, but that turned out to be a good thing. Now we have something even better. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching UTC AI Studio, AI-powered, creativity-fueled. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.